Welcome to Learning Lane, your go-to place for simple and exam-focused concepts. Let's get started. In this video, we'll understand rivers and tributaries through MPSC traps, starting with Indus and Ganga. Most students try to memorize river tributaries, but MPSC doesn't test memory, it tests confusion. Let's look at one of the most important traps, Indus versus Ganga river system. First, understand the basic idea. The Indus River system flows towards the west into the Arabian Sea. Its major tributaries are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej. These are often called the Punjab rivers. Now look at the Ganga system. It flows eastwards into the Bay of Bengal, and its major tributaries include Yamuna, Son, Gandak, and Kosi. Now comes the real trap. Look carefully at this question. Which of the following is not a tributary of the Indus River? Chenab, Beas, Ravi, or Son? Pause and think. This is where most students make a mistake. They see familiar river names and choose incorrectly. The correct answer is Son, because Son is not part of the Indus system. It belongs to the Ganga river system. And this is exactly how MPSC sets traps. So remember this clearly. Indus system means Punjab rivers, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. Ganga system includes Yamuna, Son, Gandak, and Kosi. If you remember just one thing, remember this. Son River belongs to Ganga, not Indus. And once you understand this logic, you don't need to memorize blindly. You can eliminate options instantly in the exam. Most MPSC aspirants think rivers are about memorization, but the exam actually tests your understanding through traps. Let's understand one of the most important concepts. Why most peninsular rivers flow east? The answer is very simple. Slope. The peninsular plateau slopes from west to east, and rivers always follow the slope. That's why rivers like Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri flow eastwards into the Bay of Bengal. If you understand this one idea clearly, you don't need to memorize anything. Now, pause and try this question. Which of the following rivers primarily flow eastwards into the Bay of Bengal? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, or all of the above? Take a second and think. The correct answer is D, all of the above, because all major peninsular rivers follow the eastward slope. But now comes the real trap. Most students assume all rivers in India flow east. And this is exactly where MPSC tricks you. Some important rivers, like Narmada and Tapi, flow west into the Arabian Sea. So remember this clearly. Let's test this quickly. Which river does not empty into the Bay of Bengal? Godavari, Tapi, Krishna, or Kaveri? Pause and think. The correct answer is Tapi, because it flows west, not east. Now, one more important point. River basins are often separated by hill ranges. For example, the Godavari Basin lies between Satmala and Harishchandra ranges, and the Krishna Basin is separated by the Mahadeva Hills. These are classic MPSC traps. Now let's revise everything quickly. Most peninsular rivers flow east because the plateau slopes east, but some rivers, like Narmada and Tapi, flow west. So remember this one simple rule: slope decides direction. If you understand this, you don't need to memorize anything. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to Learning Lane. We're building a complete series of MPSC geography concepts that will help you solve questions faster in the exam.